sklearn Gaussian Process Kernels (RBF). Description: explain in detail the radial basis function RBF kernel, also known as the Gaussian kernel, is a widely used kernel in Gaussian process GP regression. It's a stationary kernel that measures the similarity between two data points based on the Euclidean distance between them. The RBF kernel assumes that data points that are closer in the feature space are more likely to have similar target values. Inputs. Input 1: explain in detail x1, the first data point, represented as a vector of features. Input 2: explain in detail x2, the second data point, represented as a vector of features. Outputs. Output 1: explain in detail a scalar value representing the similarity between the two data points, based on the Euclidean distance between them. Output 2: explain in detail a covariance matrix if applied to a set of data points. Steps. Step 1: explain in detail the kernel function computes the Euclidean distance between x1 and x2. Step 2: explain in detail it then applies a Gaussian function to this distance. The Gaussian function is defined by a length scale parameter gamma, which determines the width of the Gaussian bell curve. Metrics. Metric 1: explain in detail mean squared error. MSE measures the average squared difference between the predicted values and the actual values. Metric 2: explain in detail root mean squared error. RMSE represents the square root of a average squared error. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1: explain in detail scatter plot with a heat map representing the kernel values for a set of data points, showing how the similarity changes with the distance between them. Visualization plot 2: explain in detail contour plot visualizing the kernel values across different distances, highlighting the Gaussian function behavior. Fine-tune parameters. Parameter 1: explain in detail length scale gamma. The length scale parameter controls the width of the Gaussian bell curve. A larger length scale results in a wider curve, implying that points further apart can still be considered similar. A smaller length scale results in a narrower curve, meaning that only points very close to each other are considered similar. Parameter 2: explain in detail constant value. An optional constant value added to the kernel. It can be used to introduce a bias term into the GP model. Uncertainty methods. Uncertainty method 1: explain in detail predictive variance. The GP model provides an estimate of the uncertainty in its predictions based on the training data and the kernel function. This uncertainty is represented by the predictive variance, which is higher for regions where there is less training data. Uncertainty method 2: explain in detail confidence intervals. Confidence intervals are constructed based on the predictive variance to indicate the range within which the true value is expected to lie with a certain probability. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: explain in detail overfitting to the training data. If the length scale parameter is too small, the kernel function may overfit to the training data, resulting in poor generalization to unseen data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a GP model with a small length scale parameter might predict very high values for points close to training data and very low values for points far away, even if the true relationship is smoother. Fixes to challenge 1: increase the length scale parameter or use cross-validation to find an optimal value. Challenge 2: explain in detail underfitting the training data. If the length scale parameter is too large, the kernel function may underfit the training data, failing to capture the underlying relationships. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: a GP model with a large length scale parameter might produce predictions that are too smooth and fail to capture the variations in the data. Fixes to challenge to decrease the length scale parameter or explore alternative kernels like a Matran kernel.